Alzheimer's disease is the leading cause of dementia in the world. This disease attacks the brain cells and causes memory loss to the point where daily performances require help from other people. A mutation in the amyloid precursor protein, also known as APP, results in the onset of Alzheimer's disease. The exact cause of it is unknown. APP has 4 parts to it. The blue parts of the protein extend outside of the membrane. The green part crosses into the membrane and also the most studied part of the protein. This protein is called amyloid beta peptide. This peptide can leave the membrane because gamma secretus makes a cut at the bottom of the peptide. Beta secretus cuts the blue portion of APP. With those 2 cuts, the amyloid beta peptide is by itself. If the body can't clear the amyloid beta, it starts building up, resulting in senile plaque. Hydrogen bonding occurs between the carboxyl group and the amino acid. Each bond is approximately 1.9 angstrom in length, as you can see. The chains have a zipper effect and bond almost kitty-corner of each other. Senile plaque, along with neurofibrillary tangles, attack the neurons in the brain, causing memory loss. Neurofibrillary tangles occur when tau detaches from the microtubes and tangles together. Both neurofibrillary tangles and senile plaque occur in the brain of someone who has Alzheimer's. They both attack the neurons in the brain at the same time but follow different pathways. When they attack the neurons, it causes the brain to shrink. On the left is a healthy brain, and on the right is a brain where neurofibrillary tangles and senile plaque have attacked it. Here's a story on how it can impact a family.
I'm sharing a true story about Alzheimer. About almost 2 years ago, I heard my husband, Dad, smile having issue remembering his own children's name, age, where they are. He just remembered his wife, which is typically the person who is helping him every day. I was telling my husband that his dad has something wrong with him. And they did, like his family back home in Iraq, they did so many doctors, but unfortunately the doctors are trying to keep him alive. But worse, day after day, he's becoming more worse, and they found out he's having infection in his prostate, and they did put a hose in his private area, as well as a hose in his nose in order he can have a fluid in his body and he can survive for a longer time. They are trying to give him medicines. They are trying to let him remember his family, but unfortunately, day after day, he is becoming more worse. And now you can see as the pictures how he can look, and he is not feeling good at all.
Disease requires a medical diagnosis. Memory loss and confusion are the main symptoms. An estimated 5.7 million Americans of all ages are living with Alzheimer's disease in 2018.